Question: have you ever wondered why some people seem to have access to the coolest financial tools while others are left behind? Well, today, we're diving into one of those tools, Monzo. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask the burning question: which countries can actually open a Monzo account? Hook. Imagine having a bank account that's as smart as your phone, a financial companion that learns your spending habits and helps you make better money decisions. That's the promise of Monzo. But not everyone can enjoy this financial freedom. So, let's explore the countries that have been lucky enough to welcome Monzo into their lives. Context. Monzo, for those unfamiliar, is a UK-based digital bank that has gained a massive following for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. It's more than just a bank account, it's a financial tool that empowers people to take control of their money. But, as with many great things, availability is limited. Main content. UK. As the birthplace of Monzo, the UK naturally leads the way. Residents can easily open a Monzo account and enjoy its full range of features. EU. While the UK is no longer a member of the EU, Monzo has managed to expand its reach across many European countries. This includes France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and many more. The exact availability varies slightly from country to country, so it's best to check Monzo's website for the most up-to-date information. Australia. Monzo has also made its way to the land down under. Australian residents can now benefit from Monzo's innovative banking services. United States. Unfortunately, Monzo hasn't officially launched in the United States yet. However, there have been rumors and speculations about a potential U.S. expansion. Many Americans are eagerly awaiting the day when they can experience Monzo firsthand. Additional considerations. While these are the primary countries where Monzo is available, there are a few other factors to consider. Eligibility. Even within these countries, there may be specific eligibility requirements. For example, you might need to be a resident or have a valid UK address. Currency. Monzo primarily operates in GBP, but it supports multiple currencies. If you're planning to use Monzo for international travel or transactions, be sure to check the supported currencies. Features. The specific features available may vary slightly depending on your location. For example, some countries might have access to additional features or partnerships. Conclusion. So, there you have it. While Monzo is a fantastic financial tool, it's not available everywhere just yet. If you're lucky enough to live in one of the countries where Monzo is available, you're in for a treat. But don't lose hope if your country isn't on the list. Monzo is constantly expanding its reach, so there's a good chance it will come to your area soon. Call to action. Want to know if Monzo is available in your country? Head over to their website and check for updates. And if you're already a Monzo user, share your experience in the comments below. Let's help others decide if Monzo is the right choice for them. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy banking.